guys, kembali lagi di channel saya Vince Play. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan di gameplay kita dan bermain game The Walking Dead season keempat ya, The Final Season. Sebelumnya kita bisa melihat ya bahwa EJ menembak kepala Marlon ya guys. Presisi banget lagi dia nembaknya, tapi salah guys, dia nggak seharusnya nembak Marlon ya, karena Marlon itu masih bisa untuk dimaafkan ya. Menurutku tuh tidak seharusnya Marlon itu ditembak ya. Marlon nggak sepantasnya mati walaupun dia membunuh Brody ya, tapi dia nggak sengaja. Dia panik ya. Nah, langsung saja ya kita lanjutin episode kita untuk yang episode kedua ini. Suffer the Children ya. Um, uh, Ayo, mulai. Nah,
Previously on The Walking Dead,
nih
AJ and I
sebelumnya
had
ya.
been searching for a long time for some place we could call home. Just when we thought we'd found a huge stash of food, it turned out to be a trap. That could have been the end.
Ya, waktu itu ada granat ya guys. Bah, banyak banget makanan yang
But I
hilang
woke up
waktu itu gara-gara
and found I'd been
granat.
saved by a guy named Marlon. The
Di sini
leader of
kita
the
diselamati
community,
oleh Marlon
living
ya.
inside an old boarding
Diberi
school.
tempat tinggal kita sama Marlon.
It felt like a chance at having a home, a real one. We had to go back to the train station to see if any food survived the explosion.
Kita balik lagi ke
But
tempat itu.
someone else had the same idea.
Kita ketemu orang ini ya guys. Kita nggak tahu
When
siapa dia.
AJ distracted him, I shoved him into a pack of walkers. I found Marlon and Brody in the basement that night, arguing about the man we'd seen, and I learned why Brody was so afraid. The man was part of a group of raiders they'd run into a year ago. Marlon traded Tennessee's older sisters to the raiders to keep himself safe.
Ternyata tuh guys si
attacked
kakaknya
Brody
si
and
Ten
locked me in
itu
the basement
nggak
with him.
mati guys. Dia tuh
When she
ternyata
turned, I had to
diberikan
stop
ya
her.
kepada raider.
Marlon stole AJ's gun and tried to convince them I had murdered Brody. Violet backed me up. With everyone against him, the fight went out of Marlon. I told him he could stay, but he couldn't be our leader. But then,
Ini dia
Marlon was
guys.
dead,
Bagian menyedihkannya
and
si
AJ
AJ
pulled the
menembak
trigger. He
kepalanya
remembered what
Marlon
I taught
guys.
him. To never hesitate.
Aduh guys, AJ. Gimana dong guys? Apa yang terjadi setelah itu? Pasti mereka marah kan kepada kita, kepada AJ. Karena gak seharusnya Marlon itu ditembak guys. Marlon juga pantas ya buat hidup. Wah gak ada guys AJ. Kemana dong AJ? Oh itu dia. Ada ternyata. Kirain enggak, AJ
Make you
gak
some
ada.
coffee. It was in the kitchen. Tin said that I can have some. I didn't steal it.
Kita dikasih kopi guys. Terima kasih AJ.
I'm surprised you remember how to make it. We haven't had coffee in a long time.
You put it in hot water.
You're right. Thanks.
Last night, with Marlon, I heard
Yeah.
Louis and what he called me.
Kenapa Luis bilang apa?
Am I a murderer?
No!
Wah,
Oh my god!
Shit! We could get medicine from the nurse's office.
He's dead. The kid blew his brains out.
benar-benar
You shot
hancur guys.
He's dead. You're a murderer. You got Marlon to give up. You saw how broken he was. What the fuck did you teach this kid?
Wah, guys, marah pasti
Louis
mereka.
called me a murderer. But we're supposed to kill bad stuff. Monsters. Did I do it bad? I thought Marlon was bad. He killed Brody. He kept telling lies.
What did you do?
Lewis was right. Sometimes people do bad things, like Marlon did. But when you shot him, he wasn't a threat to us anymore. If you kill someone when they're no longer threatening you, that's murder.
Benar. Nggak boleh gitu, AJ.
What are we gonna do?
Wah, pasti marah banget nggak?
Back off, all of you!
You talked Marlon down, and then they fucking murdered him!
Take AJ, go inside.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, just let them go back to the dorms? What happens the next time one of us does something this kid doesn't like? Should we expect a bullet too?
That's not what happened.
It's exactly what happened. It was over. To little Mr. Trigger Happy
Kita
decided
diam aja, guys.
otherwise.
Kita diam aja.
He didn't have to shoot Marlon in the fucking skull. It was over.
We get it, Lewis. Just back off, okay?
Back off? Seriously?
Let's go.
Clem,
Wah,
if I'm a murderer, am I gonna die too?
What? No.
Well, I think murderers are like monsters, and I know what happens to monsters. Nothing good. Nothing good at all.
they can be
We can
forgiven.
forgive them. Murderers, even some monsters, they get a second chance.
Benar.
Some monsters, not all.
When bad people, like murderers, try to make it right, that's when other people forgive them.
That sounds hard.
Memang sulit,
It
AJ.
is.
Iya kan? Emang sulit.
We're going to fix this. You and me. I'm going to help you atone.
Pasti ini bakalan bikin Clementine
It means make up for what you
terngiang-ngiang sih,
did wrong.
guys. Karena
We'll make it all right with the others.
apa yang telah AJ lakukan kan dari ajarannya si Clementine ya.
Sake, someone help me with this!
Saved you from that car wreck, and you fucking murdered him?
Get back, Mitch!
Get back.
Or what? You gonna let him kill me too? Then who's next? A Sim? Willie?
We can
Haven't
keep
enough people died tonight? Brody, Marlon, we can't keep killing each other.
Fuck are you saying that to me after what he did? Screw both of you.
Wah, guys.
Hey, what is it?
Kan bisa lihat juga tadi tuh
You've
di wajah
killed a lot of
Clementine.
people. You murdered your friend Lee, didn't you?
What?
Iya.
You said he was handcuffed. He wasn't a threat. So, that means you murdered him.
I ended his
I
suffering.
killed him because I loved him. I didn't want him to suffer.
Kita nggak mau dia menderita, guys.
He'd be dead.
He would have turned. I didn't want that for him. He deserved better.
Lee pantas
I
ya
love you,
mendapatin.
I love you back.
Sedih banget, guys. Episode yang panjang. Episode 1 yang panjang benar-benar berakhir dengan hal yang mengerikan ya.
Hey,
Aduh, Ten gak ya, guys?
Violet said to come get you for the funeral.
Really?
We used to have them more. Then we stopped. It seems right, though. I brought you something.
For me?
I figured you'd be afraid, with everyone all upset. But you were brave last night. Like a firefighter.
Wah,
Firefighters are good. I'm a murderer.
No, you're not. You gotta have a trial first. They decide that stuff in a courtroom. That's how it works. Worked before. Back then, there were all kinds of rules about who was innocent, who was guilty. It was complicated.
before
Before
the
doesn't matter anymore. That world is gone.
That's a sad way to look at it.
Clem isn't sad. She's smart.
You sure you don't want your firefighter?
You should keep him, 'cause you're good like him. But maybe we could play with him later? Together?
Sure. After the
AJ.
funeral. They buried them already. Vile started soon. See you out there.
Untung aja AJ masih ada teman ya guys.
This is gonna be
Big
hard.
Ten.
Everyone's going to be upset. We need to show them we care, okay?
Okay.
Ya, sedih banget. Ah, kopi. Bisa minum lagi? Habis sepertinya ya guys kopinya. Apakah ada yang bisa kita lakukan di sini? Gak ada ya sepertinya. Oke, kita lanjut berarti.
Ready?
Ya, gimana ya guys bilangnya? Si AJ. Kita harus datangi pemakamannya ya guys. Tapi kita cek dulu guys. Siapa tahu ada collectible item. Lumayan. Apakah ada collectible item di sini? Kita akan mencari collectible item guys. Sepertinya nggak ada ya. Nggak ada guys di sini collectible item. Kita cari di tempat lain. Oh, sedih banget ya guys, Brody. Kadang-kadang di dunia yang seperti ini ya guys, emang banyak orang bertindak seperti itu. Karena orang-orang tuh akan panik. Panik itu yang bikin kita tuh susah gitu, menjadi musuh kita. Karena kalau kita panik, semuanya akan menjadi berantakan. Apa yang kita lakukan berantakan. Itu guys, itu. Nah, kita akan mendatangi makam Brody dan Marlon.
Oh, God. They're here.
So what? They knew Brody, didn't they?
Yeah, but Marlon...
Just leave them alone.
Shit.
Clem,
What?
why do people have funerals?
Brody and Marlon.
Tin said they used to have them more,
They died.
but I don't get it.
To say
Well, to say
Well,
goodbye to someone you've lost.
But they're dead.
Brody, she was...
This is your last chance to see them before they're gone forever.
I made them all sad.
We all knew they
Like if someone took you away.
We didn't care.
Does everyone get a funeral?
Care because when she
People
was
do.
okay,
Some animals, too.
whatever she said, see,
But,
Even monsters?
I don't know where she found all that joy she carried around. But
everyone
Even
gets
monsters.
10. You ready?
Brody, you always said you wanted to go to the beach. So, I drew it for you.
Marlon was... I can't. Not for Marlon. After what he did to the twins and Brody,
You didn't even like Brody. You were always mean to her.
I can't. Someone else do it.
Bitch.
Dude, don't.
Seriously, Lewis?
He was your best friend. He wasn't perfect, but he deserved better than to get gunned down by that kid. AJ killed him like it was nothing. We all saw it, and no one stopped him.
Kita nggak bisa, guys.
I wouldn't stand in front of him like that if I were you. Sometimes he shoots.
I know I'm a murderer, but I'm gonna,
Atone.
yeah, atone it.
Fuck, I can't listen to this.
Ya, Luis pergi, guys.
What I did was bad, and I'm gonna make it up to you. I promise.
You don't have to make up shit. Marlon was a fucking murderer and a liar, and if we'd all asked more questions about Minnie and Sophie disappearing last year,
guys.
none of this would have happened.
Jangan dong,
She's got a
jangan
point.
memanas, guys.
Shut up! It wasn't Marlon's fault.
Then whose fault was it?
Whatever happened before, AJ shouldn't have killed Marlon.
Yeah, he wasn't hurting anybody when I killed him.
Benar,
See what I
benar.
mean? How can any of us trust these fucking people?
What are you saying?
I'm saying they gotta fucking go. We take a vote. Majority decides. They stay or they leave. Today.
Wah,
That does seem fair.
Are you serious? It's bullshit.
You're bullshit.
go
I don't
ahead.
want to leave, but if you all decide we should,
Benar-benar, kita nggak boleh menahan mereka, guys.
You heard her, kid.
A vote's the only way to settle this, or we'll be arguing forever.
Benar-benar.
I guess we're fucking voting.
Gak apa-apa, voting aja, guys. Mau nggak mau ya, guys. Kita nggak bisa,
Luis
guys,
needs to
memaksakan.
could you go get him? And try to talk to him.
Come on, Rosie. Come here, girl.
Ah, si Rosie. Nggak mau dia.
Could you guys go wait in the dorm? I'll come get you.
Nih ya, guys. Kita tuh nggak boleh ya, guys, memaksakan kehendak kita kepada orang lain, guys.
Please don't kick us out.
Come on, let's go.
Jika kita sudah melakukan kesalahan ya, guys, kita nggak bisa bilang kalau itu tuh bukan kita yang lakukan. Kita nggak bisa memaksakan kehendak kita sendiri kepada orang lain, guys. Misalnya orang lain emang inginnya seperti itu ya, mau bagaimana lagi, kita akan ikut mayoritas saja, guys. Clementine, misalnya kebanyakan orang ngevote kita untuk keluar, ya sudah, kita keluar saja. Walaupun nanti misalnya kita memaksakan ya kan, kalau kita ini kan, guys, kalau kita memaksakan kehendak kita untuk tetap tinggal di sini ya, dan mayoritas dari mereka tuh yang apa nggak mau kita tinggal di sini, ya mau bagaimana lagi kan, nanti kita malah gimana ya bilangnya, kita tetap di sini tapi semua orang tuh nggak suka ke kita, kan bahaya. Yang ada tuh malah makin buruk di sini, bukannya baik malah buruk. Lebih baik kita pergi.
AJ, stop! You'll break your toe or something.
Clementine marah, guys.
Come here, sit down.
No. It didn't work. I did what you said, and they didn't even care. I know that I was bad, but they don't let me fix it.
AJ, breathe. Remember what we do when we're mad?
AJ marah, guys.
Come on, you don't want to be loud, do you? What do we do when we're mad?
We stop and think and, I'm still really, really mad. I know that I'm not supposed to get mad or sad.
It's okay to
because
be
then I
upset.
do dumb things.
And you have every reason to be upset. We'll deal with it together, okay?
Okay.
Nah, gitu. Tenang dulu
We
AJ.
stop, we think, and we breathe.
Breathe.
Tarik napas. Buang.
Feel better?
No?
You're still mad, huh?
And, I think I'm sad too.
Oh, sedih guys si AJ.
I did what you told me to.
I know. You're a good listener.
I wanted to make them all feel better. It didn't work. Why'd you tell me to do that if it didn't work?
Don't give up.
We don't know that it didn't work. They might have voted for us to stay.
I don't know. They seemed pretty mad.
Tapi ya sih.
Violet was on our side. Maybe she'll persuade the others.
Yeah, maybe. I don't want to go.
I know you don't.
I like knowing where we are all the time. The bed, the food. I like the other kids. Not all of them, but Tin and Louis and Violet.
Gimana? Votingnya.
We took the vote. You have to leave.
Nah, kan guys, mau bagaimana lagi ya?
Don't we get to vote? I vote that we stay.
That's not how it works.
Maybe it should be.
You don't have to like it.
Good, because I don't.
Fine. I get it. We'll learn to live with your decision somehow.
Seriously? That's it? You know this is fucking wrong, and you're not gonna fight it at all?
Mau bagaimana ya guys? Bukannya kita nggak mau.
Point. You've already decided.
Benar.
Yes, we have.
So fucking stupid.
You said you'd go along with it, if we voted fairly.
It's bullshit. And you'd know it if you weren't so used to burying your head in the sand.
Oh, I'm burying my head in the sand? Hate Marlin all you want, but you can't tell me AJ isn't dangerous too.
Ya, AJ sakit hati guys sepertinya.
We'll wait for you to pack up, then Louis and I'll escort you out past the safe zone. We'll make sure you get to the road safely. It's not a lot, but at least you won't die on the way.
Thanks
We
for
appreciate
making
it.
sure that we...
No, don't thank them.
Wah,
It's their fault we gotta leave. They're gonna get rid of us.
Get him under control.
AJ, breathe.
AJ, aduh, dia terlalu
Where's
emosinya.
Tin? I gotta say goodbye. He was really upset about the vote, and he's not talking to anybody. It's best to leave him alone when he's like this, but for the record, he wanted you to stay.
Wait. Does AJ still have that gun? Hand it over.
Wah,
Is
guys,
this necessary?
Hell yes, it's necessary.
udahlah.
I'm not walking out into the woods with him holding that thing.
Oke.
Give it to him.
Here, you can have it.
Gak apa-apa guys, kita kasih aja.
Fuck.
There. Happy?
Marlon,
Go.
Marlon kan sahabatnya Louis ya guys. Dia pasti benar-benar marah dong dengan keputusannya AJ yang menembak Marlon. Sakit hati banget dia pasti. Ya, kita pergi guys. Sedih ya. Walaupun kita cuma sebentar ya di sini, cuma beberapa hari doang. Tapi rasanya tuh sedih banget. Kita pergi. Kira-kira kemana ya tujuan kita selanjutnya, guys?
Will we get another car?
Probably not. We got lucky before.
So we're walking.
Sedih guys
My
AJ.
shoes are gonna break.
Well, we'll have to hope they hold out.
My feet are gonna bleed again.
We'll tear up a shirt and tie them up if we have to.
It's not so bad. I mean, you've done this before. Probably pretty good at it by now. Almost like going home for you guys.
You've lived inside walls your whole life. You have no fucking idea what it's like out there.
We're here. The road's that way.
Anything you want to say before we go?
I've said plenty.
Thanks for trying to keep us.
You're welcome. I wish you could stay. I didn't want this.
Come on, let's just go.
Give us a minute, would you?
I wish we had.
Yeah, so do I. I wish we hadn't fucked it up.
You didn't. Marlon did. Even dead, he's still ruining shit.
Jesus, Violet. Give him some fucking peace.
Just stay safe. Both of you.
Yo guys. Bye Violet. Bye Luis.
I must be stupid. I can't leave you out here unarmed.
Wah, dia kembalikan guys. Dikembalikan. Nah, beneran. Dikembalikan
Thanks.
guys. Bye Luis.
Let's get going.
Oke, kita
Sun'll
sudah
set soon.
di hutan belantara sekarang.
I don't know. I can just feel it.
Is
How?
Ow.
There's this cold that settles on my skin. It happens right before a storm, too.
I don't feel that.
You haven't been on the road as long as me.
Clem? Will we be okay? I thought we were done running from all the bad people. And the monsters.
Yes.
I'll find someplace new. Someplace better.
I'll try not to mess it up.
AJ harus apa ya bilangnya? Bukannya kita mau menyerahkan. Wah. Baru juga mau berkata-kata, tiba-tiba ada suara tembakan. Wah, itu bukannya.
I saw a couple of you on the road. How long you think you can hide?
Shit.
Dia selamat, guys.
The man from the train station?
Yes.
Benar.
I thought he died.
You can survive a bite if you cut it off fast enough.
Ugh.
Stay here.
Tough little bitch, aren't you?
Senjatanya, senjatanya. Wah. Guys. Bawa teman dia. Ya, guys. Ini si Raider yang itu. Kok dia masih bisa hidup sih?
I wouldn't, boy. Any closer, your friend might get her head blown off.
Abel.
Good to see you again, Squirt.
Wah.
Don't!
Guys, gimana
I've
dong?
seen these ones before.
Ya,
Finest.
baru juga.
Both of them. You'll like them.
We're looking for a kid. Runs a community near here.
Marlon.
Marlon,
dead.
mereka nyari Marlon.
Well, shit.
This can still work.
How about it? You want to take us back to your school? Help us talk to your friends? It's not like you have many other options. Come on, kid. We
No
don't want to
way.
be out here all day.
I'm not helping you shitheads.
Wah, guys, tangan AJ.
Let him go, please.
Sure. If you do like we ask. Otherwise, I'm happy to crack his head open. You ever seen old fruit explode after you throw it at something? That's just how it'll look.
Clementine!
Oh my god.
Kayak pernah kenal, kayak pernah lihat, guys.
Clementine, it's you? My name is Lily.
Lily, guys, dari season 1 yang dia mencuri mobil kita
Probably
itu
don't
loh.
remember me. It's been a while.
Lily? I thought you died.
Iya,
Came close.
dia ngambil mobil kita, guys.
The hell?
Not now.
The fuck is this?
Accept aja, Lily.
Lee isn't with you. So he's dead then. He was kind to me. Even after I shot that girl.
Iya, dia nembak
Lee
Carly,
should have
guys.
never let me stay with the group. It was too easy to steal the RV and leave.
Wah,
He
parah
had
banget ya.
too much faith in other people. Probably why he kept you around. Probably why he didn't make it. Same thing will happen to you if you repeat his mistakes. Your little boy there, you'll die protecting him. You may be able to keep this up a while longer, but eventually he'll slow you down.
He can
A walker
handle
you didn't
himself.
spot, a bullet you couldn't dodge, a desperate cry for help that brings the herd.
I don't think so. AJ knows how to handle himself.
He's got spirit, I'll give you that. But you and I know that won't be enough.
Fuck, we don't have time for all this.
We've got history.
Great. You know her, I know her. Point is, we've got a job to do.
We can help you raise that boy, Clementine. But we need you to do something for us.
Wah,
What?
disuruh ngelapain
Help
apa?
me kidnap a couple more kids?
We don't need a couple. We need all of you.
We'll take you
Wah,
back to the Delta to join the
semuanya.
people. We have walls, we have working solar panels, and we grow our own food. All we need from you is to go back to your friends and convince them to come peacefully. No one will be harmed.
I'm not Marlon.
Here's what I'll do. I'll take the little squirt here right now.
Wah, guys.
That way, I'm sure you'll play nice.
Be smart about this, Clementine. It's an us or them kind of world, Clem. If you want to save your little one, you won't pick them.
Run!
Kita suruh mereka lari aja, guys.
Come on!
Bahaya. Kalau tembakan, kalau si Violet nembaknya nggak kena, bahaya, guys. Wah, kita dikejar. Wah, masih ngejar loh. Salah. Wah, guys. Lily. Wah, kenapa ada Lily? Cukup gak sih?
Oh shit.
Ya, malah jatuh, Clem. Masih ngejar kan mereka? Masih. Nah, mereka terkepung. Wah, 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 wah. Mana pisaumu, Clem? Oh iya ya, tadi jatuh ya.
Clem.
Ya, AJ. Ya, guys. AJ, guys. Tertembak dia.
Shit.
Guys, AJ, guys. AJ tertembak. Gimana dong? Wah, Lily. Parah banget gak sih, guys, si Lily? Wah, guys, makin rame. Guys. Nice. Gila, Clementine, keren banget. Masih ada kah? Kok rame banget sih, guys? Wah. Wah, siapa itu? Manusia. Guys, siapa itu, guys? Wah. Wah, dia mengalihkan perhatian zombie walker. Follow. Ikuti. AJ. Siapa itu, guys? Wah. Ya, kasihan banget ya si AJ, guys. Tertembak dia di perutnya. Apa itu? Oh. Ya, guys, perut AJ. Pasti sakit banget sih itu, guys. Wah, guys, lihat itu.
Get the shrapnel out.
Me?
I'll keep him still.
Tapi kayaknya nggak terlalu dalam ya. Dia cuma di luar gitu, serpihan-serpihannya. Dia nggak terlalu dalam gitu, guys, lukanya. Wah. Wah, guys. Sakit banget itu. Ini peluru shotgun ya. Wah, sakit banget itu.
Trying not to be loud.
It's okay, AJ. Just breathe.
Put your hands there. Stop the bleeding.
Dia masih ingat ajaran kita, guys.
It's okay, AJ. He's just gonna patch you up.
It's enough. For now.
Easy, easy.
Where's our stuff? My gun.
We lost it, buddy.
Ya, kita hilang guys
Louis and
senjatanya.
Violet ran. They're safe.
Yeah, probably.
It sucks.
Wah, lihat guys tangan AJ guys bergetar. Siapa ya itu guys? Kok dia kayak keren gitu? Dia kayak pakai masker gitu guys.
I didn't mean to endanger you. The walkers were sent to help you.
You sent the walkers?
Dia ngirim
Was part of a
walkers.
group. Call themselves Whisperers.
The Whisper.
They've learned to live in herds, among walkers. Move among them. Sometimes guide them.
Wah, ada kelompok seperti itu.
Why are you alone, if you were part of a group?
They attacked a community. Saw the carnage. Didn't want to be part of it.
Wah, kelompoknya tapi nyerang ini ya, nyerang itu. Dia nggak
Does it
mau
hurt?
katanya guys, jadi bagian dari anggota itu karena anggota itu tuh nyerang kelompok lain katanya. Apel.
Eat. Both of you.
Untuk sekarang kita terima ya guys. Soalnya kayaknya kelihatannya dia baik nih. Kalau dia mau bunuh kita nih, dia udah ngelakuin dari sebelum-sebelumnya. Terima kasih loh.
Do you have a name?
Been a while.
Since.
I've said it.
Nah kan dia pakai masker guys.
James.
James namanya.
Why did you help us, James?
The people who attacked you. What do you know about them?
I know
They
they
steal
steal kids.
children.
They took 2 last year.
A common practice for them. They're at war up north. Their entire community
Oh, mereka
against
lagi
another.
perang.
It's why they take people. To make them fight. Train them. Use them.
Wah.
You would join their war.
That's horrible.
Yes. That's why I
Di
helped you.
dunia yang udah kacau seperti ini masih ada orang yang perang guys.
Thank you.
Masih ada perang loh.
Clem?
Walkers.
Wait. Throw it. Distract him. Works just as well. And nobody gets hurt. Not us. Not him.
Oke. Distract. Dia udah bantu kita guys. Jadi kita lakuin apa yang dia mau.
Thank you.
Dia udah banyak membantu kita.
Safe.
It was difficult to send the herd in to save you. I didn't want them to die.
Wah. Kok dia gitu guys? Dia nggak mau walkersnya zombinya mati katanya.
So, James, do you just hang around in the woods,
Dia kayaknya
saving
nggak
random
mau
people?
nggak mau bunuh ini dah walkers
After I
guys.
left my group, I
Sepertinya.
wandered. First time alone, ever. Saw war everywhere. First against walkers, then against each other. Hoped it would be better here. Where are you from? Here? Or somewhere far away?
Georgia.
Georgia.
Long way from home.
It feels like forever ago.
Udah lama banget ya
It
rasanya.
was.
Kita di mana nih guys? Lokasi kita nih. Gak tahu nih.
So, where are you from?
Washington.
Washington.
The city or the state?
The city. Dad ran a food truck. I helped.
Oh, ayahnya katanya food truck. Yang jual-jual makanan di truk gitu guys.
You've got a fever.
His wound will need proper cleaning and medicine, if you're lucky enough to have any.
Iya
The school
guys,
has
kita
medicine, but I don't think they'll share it.
That's why those people attacked you, isn't it? To get to that school. They'll destroy whatever they find. Bring more guns, more fighters. Take everyone inside.
ya gimana
They
dong?
won't be able to fight them off.
Iya benar, mereka nggak bakalan mampu guys, orang-orang di sekolah nggak bakalan mampu untuk melawan ini.
You need medicine. You have to go back, or you'll lose him.
Ya, gimana dong?
I have to go back and warn them.
Benar-benar
It's
kita
the
harus
right thing to do.
Noble of you, despite their treatment.
kasih tahu guys, kita harus bikin apa? Buat
I'll
mereka
help you get
waspada.
back. Past the walkers.
Mereka yang di sekolah nggak
A
tahu
few more
apa-apa.
hours and we'll go.
That's
Kita
a
juga
few
butuh
hours for you to sleep.
butuh obat ya untuk AJ. Semoga aja kita
I'll
bisa
stay
mendapatkan
awake.
obat guys.
You don't have to.
Hujan guys.
Sleep. I'll keep watch.
Haruskah kita percaya pada dia guys? I'll help. Kita bantu aja lah
I
ya.
can't.
Then we'll both keep watch.
Less lonely.
True.
Baik banget guys si James. Ya, hujan. Di mana ini, guys?
Is he awake?
Yeah, he's so hot.
I can carry him.
Panas.
You're exhausted.
No, I've got him.
Oh itu guys, kita udah dekat sekolah sepertinya. Tapi mungkin karena video kita udah panjang banget ya, udah hampir 50 menit. Mungkin sampai di sini saja episode kita kali ini, dan wah kasian banget AJ guys, AJ tertembak dan kita bertemu orang baru ya, si James ya. Dan kita akan lihat nih selanjutnya nih apa yang akan terjadi. Maukah orang-orang di sekolah ini memberikan kita sedikit obat kepada AJ sebagai imbalan kita memberitahukan bahaya kepada mereka? Wah, ini masalah besar ya. Dan kita akan tahu besok. Dan mungkin sampai di sini saja episode kita kali ini guys, dan sampai jumpa di next episode. Bye guys.